So today is the day the Trans Am finally gets an exhaust. I'm going up to the exhaust shop now and shouldn't take long. I've got the new tips in the back and he's going to put a new higher flow muffler on it. So it won't be like a straight pipe loud, but it'll have a nice rumble to it, especially when I get on it. So let's go do it. Alright, here's the startup and the TA. After driving around all day with the new exhaust, it's a little bit quieter than I thought it would be, but it still sounds nice, especially when I start it up, and I can tell this winter for cold starts it'll be really phenomenal. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video as always, and after driving around for about 24 hours doing highway speeds, pulls, normal driving, it doesn't drone at all, no matter how fast you're going. You can only hear it when you get on it. So that's kind of nice, but at the same time, I wish it was a little bit louder. But we can definitely change that down the road. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.